Hello students, let's we continue our lesson. The next topic, that is demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. The whole number atomic mass of the elements cobalt, Co and nickel, that is Ni, is the same. Therefore, there was an ambiguity regarding their sequence in Mendeleev's periodic table. Students, first demerits they have given about the Mendeleev's periodic table, that is the whole number of atomic mass of element cobalt and nickel, that is same. That's why it is unclear that the sequence of these elements, the place of these elements where to give. At the same place they have keep, or another they have to give, like that there is an unclear, means ambiguity, because their atomic masses are same. Then second, isotopes were discovered long time after Mendeleev put forth the periodic table. As isotopes have the same chemical properties but different atomic masses, a challenge was posed in placing them in Mendeleev's periodic table. Students, on 19th page we have given the isotopes of chlorine there. We know that the isotopes of any element, they are showing the same chemical properties but different in their atomic masses, and there is a challenge in the Mendeleev's periodic table to relate it to their place, and this is also second demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. And then third, when elements are arranged in an increasing order of atomic masses, the rise in atomic mass does not appear to be uniform. It was not possible, therefore, to predict how many elements could be discovered between two heavy metals elements. Students, here when the Mendeleev they arranged the elements related to their increasing order of their atomic masses, and the rise of atomic mass does not appear that is uniform, and that's why there is an how to predict that elements could be discovered afterwards and where to keep the vacant places. Related to that there is an confusion, and that is difficult to in that table. Then fourth, position of hydrogen. Hydrogen shows similarity with halogen group 7. For example, the molecular formula of hydrogen is H2, while the molecular formulae of fluorine and chlorine are F2 and Cl2 respectively. In the same way, there is a similarity in chemical properties of hydrogen and alkali metals, that is group first. Students, here they have given the position of hydrogen, that is shows the similarity of halogen groups. Halogen groups, that is shows similarity related to their chemical properties, and as well as it shows the similarity in the chemical properties of hydrogen alkali metal also, that is in group first. So there is a similarity in molecular formula of the compound of hydrogen alkali metals, that is sodium and potassium etc., formed with chlorine and oxygen. On considering the above properties, it cannot be decided whether the correct position of hydrogen is in the group of alkali metals, that is group first, or in the group of halogen group 7. Students, the hydrogen shows the similarity related to the halogen groups as well as alkali metals, and that's why there is unclear to where they give the place for the hydrogen, as in group first or in the group of halogen, that is group 7. So these four demerits they have given here. Next, that is use your brain power. This is for your study. you have to do this activity at home. Write the molecular formula of oxides of the following elements by referring to their Mendeleev's periodic table, that is sodium, silicon, calcium, carbon, Rb, P, Ba, Cl and Sn. Rb, that is rubidium, then P, that is phosphorus, Ba, barium, Cl, chlorine and Sn, that is tin. Then again second you have given the write the molecular formulas of the compounds of the following elements with the hydrogen by referring the Mendeleev's periodic table. So you have given some elements here and you have to write the molecular formulas of that compounds. Then next, modern periodic law. The scientific world did not know anything about the interior of the atom when the Mendeleev put forth the periodic table. After the discovery of electrons, scientists started exploring the relation between the electrons number of an atom and the atomic number. The atomic number in Mendeleev's periodic table only indicated the serial number of the element. Students, here have given the modern periodic law, that is first, scientific world or scientist, they don't know about anything the interior of the atom, what is the actually the things inside the atom. And when the Mendeleev put forth this periodic law, and after the discovery there is an electron, first they discover in the atoms there is a presence of electron. Then scientists started exploring the relation between electron number of an atom and the atomic numbers. The atomic number in Mendeleev's periodic table only indicated the serial number of the elements. In 1913 AD, the English scientist Henry Moseley demonstrated with the help of the experiments done using X-ray tube that the atomic number, that is denoted by Z, of an element corresponds to the positive charge on the nucleus or the number of the protons in the nucleus of the atom of that elements. So students, in the 8th standard only you have learned about the atomic structure of the structure of the atom. So there is an given that atomic number that is denoted by Z and elements that is correspond the positive charge on the nucleus or the number of protons in the nucleus of the atoms of that elements, that is show the positive charge. This related that atomic number is a more fundamental property of an element, that is its atomic mass. Accordingly, the statement of the modern periodic law was stated as follows. Properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic numbers. So in the modern periodic law, the law they have given here, that is properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic numbers. Students, you have may know the meaning of this periodic means the appearing or occurring at intervals, and that is related to their atomic numbers, means the atomic numbers or the properties of the elements, they come after some intervals, means the some element shows the relation in another elements related to their chemical properties or their physical properties after some intervals, and like that sequence is occurs in the table, and that is we have given here the properties of elements. Related to this property they have given chemical as well as physical properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic numbers.